Herald, the tropical storm, explodes in Texas. Texas torn by a storm surge and strong winds. Texas is in disarray due to Tropical Storm Herald's powerful winds and storm surges. This tropical storm's strong winds and storm surge have ripped through the area. Tropical Storm Franklin made landfall on the Dominican Republic's southern coast early on Wednesday, bringing with it torrential rainfall for both the country and its neighbor, Haiti. After making landfall in South Texas on Tuesday, Tropical Storm Herald, which had formed mere hours before Hurricane Franklin, was reduced to the status of a depression. Since then, the system has moved across northern Mexico, and the region is currently at risk of significant rains. Scientists believe that the effects of the climate catastrophe are to blame for the hurricane's enormous size. Across the Atlantic, there is a record-breaking trend that includes this hurricane. In just 39 hours, two other systems, Emily and Gert, evolved in the Atlantic alongside Herald and Franklin. This is a new record for the number of storms that have formed so quickly. Entire storm right now, Hillary is destroying Mexico, California, and Nevada. Numerous cities, including Los Angeles and San Diego, have experienced widespread floods and fatalities as a result of this storm. There has been outcry that sending susceptible migrants into a city under an unusual tropical storm warning puts lives at jeopardy. Mayor Karen Bass has criticized Texas Governor Greg Abbott for his decision to bring migrants to Los Angeles, which has caused controversy. As Tropical Storm Herald gains more interior passage across South Texas, it has diminished to become a tropical depression. Its effects include strong winds, a lot of rain, and the possibility of tornadoes and flash floods. Jason Fraser, a meteorologist, tried to report from Padre Island, but the harsh weather made good communication practically impossible. With winds of up to 100 kilometers per hour in Corpus Christi and Loyola Beach, both classified as tropical storm conditions, the storm's effects were clearly seen. Through Wednesday morning, much-needed rain is predicted to arrive in South Texas, with up to 3 to 5 inches possible. As of right now, Tropical Storm Herald is situated roughly 15 miles east of Laredo, Texas, and is traveling 34 miles per hour to the west-northwest. This could put metropolitan areas at risk of flash flooding. Herald's aftereffects are expected to spread moisture throughout the southwestern United areas as it progresses, posing a risk of flooding to areas including New Mexico, Arizona, and Utah. As Tropical Storm Herald moved closer to Texas, preparations were made all throughout the region. Driveway and school closures were imposed because of the storm's floods. Areas north of the storm were left in a state of drought, while regions of South Texas had significant rainfall. The contrast between these areas was highlighted by the fact that while some were in danger of flooding, others were in severe drought and were in dire need of rain. A fire weather warning was issued for central and eastern Texas during Tropical Storm Herald because of the hot and dry conditions that could lead to flames.